Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long does a bank fraud investigation take? It's a stressful question nobody wants to ask after finding out their hard-earned money has been stolen. The simple, frustrating answer is, it depends. There is no single, fixed timeline, but understanding the factors involved can help you manage your expectations during this difficult process. The length of an investigation is heavily influenced by several key things. First, consider the type and complexity of the fraud. A single, unauthorized charge on your debit card is much simpler for a bank to investigate than a complex identity theft case where someone opened multiple accounts in your name. A simple case might be resolved within a few days, while a complex one will take much longer. Second, the amount of money lost matters a great deal. A fraudulent $50 charge will be handled differently than a $50,000 wire transfer. Larger sums trigger more intense, detailed investigations, which naturally take more time. Third, every bank has its own internal procedures. Federal law, specifically Regulation E, provides a framework. Banks generally have 10 business days to investigate an error and will often issue a provisional credit for the disputed amount during that time so you can use your money. However, for more complicated cases, they can legally extend this investigation up to 45 or even 90 days. The speed really depends on your bank's efficiency. Another critical factor is the evidence. How quickly you report the fraud and how much information you can provide makes a difference. A case with clear evidence, like security footage of a card skimmer, is easier to close than a sophisticated online phishing attack that leaves a confusing digital trail. Finally, if law enforcement gets involved, the timeline expands dramatically. For very large or complex fraud cases, your bank will work with local police or even federal agencies like the FBI. When it becomes a criminal investigation, it can take many months, or sometimes even years, to fully resolve. So, what's a realistic expectation? For straightforward debit card fraud, you can often expect a resolution within 10 business days. For moderately complex issues, like stolen and forged checks, prepare for a 30 to 60-day timeline. For major, life-altering fraud, the investigation could last for several months. While you wait, be proactive. Keep a detailed log of every conversation you have with the bank, including dates, times, and the names of the people you spoke with. Follow up regularly but politely, and continue to monitor all of your accounts for any new suspicious activity. Navigating this process is tough, but being patient yet persistent is your best strategy. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple financial guidance.